Welcome to my channel. This presentation is on basic general knowledge for primary class children. In this presentation there are multiple choice questions with answers. Let us begin with the first question. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Leopard and D. Gorilla. And the answer is B. Giraffe. The next question is, who is popularly known as Master Blaster? A. Kapil Dev, B. Virat Kohli, C. MS Dhoni, D. Sachin Tendulkar. Answer D. Sachin Tendulkar. And the next question is, who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal, B. Kalpana Chawla, C. Geeta Phogat, D. Premlata Agarwal. And the answer is A. Bachendri Pal. Question number 4. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? A. Gandhinagar, B. Porbandar, C. Surat, D. Ahmedabad. Answer B. Porbandar. Next question. Where is the famous Ashoka pillar located? A. New Delhi, B. Sanchi, C. Sarnath, D. Kolkata. And the answer is C. Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 6. Which part of the computer controls all the other parts? A. Monitor, B. CPU, C. Keyboard, D. Mouse. Answer B. CPU. Question number 7. Which is the largest planet in a solar system? A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. Answer D. Jupiter. And the next question is, Rahul Dravid is to cricket as PV Sindhu is to A. Badminton, B. Tennis, C. Hockey, D. Wrestling. Answer A. Badminton. Question number 9. Tick the one that does not belong to the group. A. Socks, B. Shoes, C. Newspaper and D. School bag. And the answer is C. Newspaper. Question number 10. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the answer is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 11. Which of the following was the capital of India before New Delhi was the capital? A. Kolkata, B. Hyderabad, C. Chennai, D. Mumbai. Answer A. Kolkata. Next question. Who invented steam engine? A. Graham Bell, B. Isaac Newton, C. James Watt, D. Wright brothers. Answer C. James Watt. Question number 13. What is the full form of IAS? A. International Administrative Service, B. Indian Airlines Service, C. International Airlines Service, D. Indian Administrative Service. And the answer is D. Indian Administrative Service. Question 14. Who invented television? A. Charles Babbage, B. J. L. Baird, C. Thomas Alva Edison, D. Marconi. Answer J. L. Baird. Question 15. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Udaipur, B. Srinagar, C. Bengaluru, D. Shimla. And the answer is A. Udaipur in Rajasthan. Next question. Where is Humayun's tomb located? A. Agra, B. Lucknow, C. Kashmir, D. New Delhi. Answer D. New Delhi. Question number 17. In which city is the famous Golden Temple located? A. New Delhi, B. Chennai, C. Amritsar, D. Tirumala. And the answer is C. Amritsar in Punjab. Next question. Which of the following is not a bird but it can fly? A. Peacock, B. Kite, C. Bat, D. Kiwi. Answer C. Bat, which is a mammal. Question number 19. Who invented telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. James Watt, C. Thomas Alva Edison, D. Charles Babbage. Answer A. Alexander Graham Bell. Next question. What is the full form of ATM? A. Anytime money, B. All time money, C. Automated teller machine, D. Automatic teller money. And the answer is C. Automated teller machine. Question number 21. What is the time taken by Earth to complete one revolution round the Sun? A. 365 days, B. 366 days, C. 364 days, and D. 363 days. Answer A. 365 days. Earth takes 365 days and 1/4 a day to complete one revolution round the Sun. For the convenience of calculating time, it is taken as 365 days every year. The 1/4 day of 3 continuous years is added to the 4th year to make one extra day. Hence, there are 366 days in a year, once in every 4 years. Question number 22. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Malta, B. Vatican City, C. Maldives, D. Bhutan. Answer B. Vatican City. Question number 23. Which of the following is known as the morning star and also evening star? A. Moon, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Sun. Answer B. Venus. Venus is visible as a bright star early in the morning before sunrise in the east and after sunset in the west. Question number 24. When did India become free from the British rule? A. 26 January 1947, B. 26 January 1950, C. 15th August 1950, D. 15th August 1947. And the answer is D. 15th August 1947. Question 25. Which is the national animal of India? A. Cow, B. Lion, C. Tiger, D. Elephant. And the answer is C. Tiger. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.